Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the DiDi application on your Android device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Google Play Store from your Android device. And once you open it up, from the home screen, tap on the search box at the top section and then type in DiDi and start your search. Once you find the DiDi Request a Ride application, tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the DiDi application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when you see the open button you can tap on it to open up the application. Once the app is opened up, you can proceed with logging into your existing account or signing up to create a new one in order to start using the DiDi app on your device right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the DiDi application on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.